If you didn't already know, YouTube is one of the highest paying and most consistent platforms for creators right now. In 2021 alone, YouTube paid out over $18 billion to creators, and what might surprise you is that a massive portion of that went to channels that are completely faceless. No one on camera, no complex setup, just systems and smart content. These days, anyone can build a YouTube channel without ever showing their face. You don't need to be a video editor, animator, or even a great storyteller to get started. You just need the right tools and a system that works. One channel that really caught my attention is Geethanjali Kids, Rhymes and Stories. It's a simple kids animation channel. No big brand, no personality on camera. And yet, according to Social Blade, they're getting over 2 million views every single month and making around $175,000 per year just from ad revenue. And here's what really proves the power of this model. There's another channel called Gigglebox. It hasn't uploaded in over a year, yet it's still bringing in over $100,000 a year. That's the power of evergreen storytelling content. Once these videos go live, they just keep getting recommended, keep earning revenue, and keep building your channel without you having to constantly create new content. There are dozens of faceless YouTube channels doing the exact same thing like fairy tales and kid stories, earning $500,000 every year just by telling stories in a consistent, scalable way. There are two proven content formats that work especially well in this niche. 1. Put a fresh spin on classic fairy tales or rhymes. 2. Create completely original kid stories with characters, emotions, and meaningful lessons. One channel that executes both strategies really well is Fairy Tales and Stories for Kids. They've built an audience in the millions by alternating between remixed classics and original tales. So how do you come up with original stories that actually get views? Here's exactly what I do. I started by using FoxScript inside ChatGPT to analyze a handful of successful channels in the kids animation niche. I didn't just want to see view counts. I asked ChatGPT to break down what made their videos perform. Once I had a short list of strong performers, I picked the most consistent channel and asked for its top 3 performing videos over the past month. Here's what it gave me. 1. Red Shoes. The Magical Adventure Begins. Over 1 million views. 2. The Grumpy Queen and the Magic Necklace. And 3. Best of 3 Little Pigs, 5 episodes. Then in the same chat, I pasted the full transcript of the top video, Red Shoes, and asked ChatGPT to analyze the storytelling style, and then write a brand new prompt I could use with syllabi to create a similar video of my own. And just like that, I had a fully optimized, ready-to-go video prompt, modeled after a proven success. This strategy is all about remixing what's already working and letting AI help you move faster with your own twist, your own voice, and no guesswork. Now let's talk about how you actually bring these ideas to life. With Syllabi, you can generate AI story ideas, write full scripts, create animations, add AI voiceovers, and even schedule up to 180 videos to post on your YouTube channel over 6 weeks. Seriously, you can build an entire faceless YouTube channel on autopilot. It handles everything, from concept to production to publishing. And the best part, you can get started with a free trial to test it out and see how simple it really is. If you've been looking for a way to create content without being on camera, this is your shortcut. Once your video is ready, it's time to package it for performance, and that starts with the thumbnail. You can grab a screenshot from your best scene, sure, but I highly recommend using my favorite thumbnail creation tool by far, VidIQ. With VidIQ's AI-powered thumbnail generator, you can create eye-catching, scroll-stopping thumbnails in seconds. Just one prompt, and you've got something polished and upload-ready. But it gets better. You can use advanced features like reference mode to replicate top-performing competitor thumbnails, face swaps to insert your own character or style, and subject focus to keep the most important part of the image front and center. It's one of the best tools in my entire workflow, and I can't recommend it enough. A good thumbnail makes a huge difference in how many people click. Once you've got that thumbnail, pair it with a strong title using keywords like adventure, fairy tale, magical, or bedtime story to help it surface in search and recommendations. Then upload it, or let Syllabi schedule and publish it for you, and you're done. Want to grow even faster? Turn scenes from your long-form videos into YouTube Shorts. These quick clips act like trailers for your full video, helping attract more viewers and pushing traffic to the content that earns the most revenue. So here's what you now have: a repeatable, faceless content strategy. Real examples of what's working right now. A process for reverse engineering success using ChatGPT and VoxScript. And tools like Syllabi and VidIQ to handle production, thumbnails, and publishing on complete autopilot. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. You don't need to be an expert storyteller. You just need to take the first step and let the tools help you scale. This is the most beginner-friendly time in history to build a YouTube channel. So stop waiting, start building, and I'll see you on the next one.